Hello, good afternoon. My name is Jason Barrientos. My first name is Jason and my last name is Barrientos. I am 27 years old. My teacher is Nidia Zavala. My section is 0905. Today is Friday, April 18. It's 6 a.m. It's expected to a mostly clear day. The months that are in summer are February, March, April. It's 11 a.m. It's really hot today. The sky is bright and the sun is shining. It's warm. It's hot. Sunny days. It's sunny. It's hot. It is 5:30 in the afternoon. We observe a beautiful sunset. My birthday is in September too. It's in the winter. Thank you.